bye bye. Thank you, thank you. Oh, no. This is sad. Kabaik kamlong shoot mentang trangin habania surat ab syukit no seselong. So my club members have already left because they have to ride. Kelak ding rupok. Ngadan tak apa ding kinong way bro ha gi bamitu ya ka ngar bamitu iki tambah layarap ya. Mah pe hak dur ngapoy selong ngam tip hadu mentaru tingin pe kelong no. Yes. Kini di bike we like it. This is the end of the NERM adventure. Good morning. That's me really fine no. The minute lah show tight balat sus tahu show. Kam mau show ring video you tambah. Mana sing really fine no. They had a good time. But you can do it. Babon bah kibri perlok kan dia kibaya sultanat kibaya jadi tuk kejongki well I can do si bon bah kiberdon kum kini kijat tuk kijongar berim kum ni sultanat pas sungan lah dan kum kini kibaya nyak lah kum kini dah si tinggi ya nyok ini mi ni but gini ya no napo Guwahati ini mi acun ni napo Northern Kini ya no Guwahati but man spek pakaleti kalau ngom na tema. Tematangin ni haban ni lum no sa dumdam. Kini te ano kan ka tergatar nang ta. Ya keran no. Chalo. Yes. Ni menta nang ni ngidang ni nang ni na tura try yaka rush tank na bje try la ngila ban mi. Ti nang tu saya sa halindil tin habanya song mane ba mane ngathai kalawan kham kloi ru daily bayan Guwahati te dalai sing song ni potura anada jong kan ni ka NERM ka North East Riders Meet jong ki Royal Enfield jong ki bullet sudah tangi Royal Enfield sudah but nang ni kumba lai hajar jan kot lai hajar ngut ki briu tuan mi nang ni bagi ban lej nyok slash lagi jong ki Jaka ka jong ka ri la ka jong ka jela bat kin session yang pat hak take away pat ka snem itu snem kan ni Arunachal kan no Arunachal te sim snem ring seli pas session la aspo Arunachal speni pat ipi kalau kumno pat ke Jaka ma tip top jadi tengah kham da lej than shabar manong ban lej right chui wi Jaka ban ayu te Lesi dari Arunachal tingin lek Kambun Jaka. Ni tembun Jaka wala ada BE wala ada pek ada jengok menong no. Ni betah yang lejak siang. Te asik do bat sasipang. Calo. All right. So we're all now all said and done. And ni takalama bahe bhang ayo so nice bro, so nice. Ani hope akan numbat la yang asedin. Hope akan numbat yang asedin. Otherwise ngan haban te nah ni we Jaka. De bro. La shumet tan ni te. Ni daga. Chalo be nyak sibete la met be. Chalo Tiladap. Mama jual dah tiar ni.
What's up guys? What's up?
Yes.
Last day feels sad, a little bad, but then we had amazing 3 days. Good memories, man. At least we have Mafwadi to remember things for us.
Baba hangte. Baba Dunbor Ladap. Dap te. Okay. Ni ketiar. Ni ketiar. Ni ketiar lah. Dah kedudukan lah.
What shopping?
Ni. Jom fitis. Jom fitis easy faham. Ida buntiar lah. Nice. Ni baba roja apa? Fish incurrence initial and that. Hey guys, we'll be leaving
Leaving?
Yeah.
Okay.
See you soon. You'll be traveling to Ranikot now?
We done that. We are
Planning?
Don't think so.
Okay. See you soon. See you soon. Bye. Yeah, man. So. And thanks for the tip, yeah, for the bikes.
Safe ride. Safe ride.
Yeah, you too. Well, we'll see you soon.
Okay.
I hope I come to Nepal with the bike anytime soon, yeah. Well, safe ride, yeah. Bye. Hả? Không gì cho á? Ani lah selip hani pe. Oh di. Habi lum nak saya ni jabot jaban shopping let nang bakan. Num jabot than ke air ke. Oh ngani ka buat habli ai nak tinggi beri hotai. Kini ka buat garu kani. Oh ladi bayu rak sekali dah. Hey, this one do we have to we have
to return back. You have to return back.
Okay. Ciao, friend. Done.
Done.
All right, okay. Bro lah ya. Bro lah ya lumlun. Ay lumlun. Thank you. Chalo. Let's do this. Ini lah nang ni, ini ya nyo. Nang tangin saya siyang aku ibat kapor kani di Jakarta bagi sa mata beroleh sini saus ni. Chalo. Abang. Chalo kan perlu. motorcycles. This is what people do to motorcycle people, to bikers. Enjoy tất cả nhà cũng đi từ xuống băng ha. Ê, cả bạn đi lực cả bạn đơn. Năng. Minta kasihan ngini yat no na sa Guwahati ngini yat sino nung stoy. Teka kung giong makani ka ayun na sa Guwahati giong ka kamsini o tamang kakamjan. Bye bye. Dan siya. What sharp jarla. No.
Oh, nó đi thải vào đâu nó nè. Đấy, thả là cái.
Lagi sundur ini tiap wajah. Toyota extra niat tak kami bang he. Cái nhìn đến cam số bên này stasiun trong cái stasiun garden.
Hay kisa.
Còn tiếp rồi lẹ.
Kontak saya kontak.
Là ngã phun ni juir empik lah. Tu lem no, long son sini.
Apa ini son demo? Ada gua ha?
Ah, le. Where you guys heading? Guwahati. You too? So you'll be heading to Silchar, no? Anytime soon?
Tomorrow.
Okay. So we're staying back in Guwahati for tonight.
Call up Rishi, you got network.
You won the thing, no? Congratulations, yeah? I saw your performance. It was good, man. It was good. You compete. You do motocross. Ah, I could tell.
Earlier I used to not know.
All right.
Now I've become fat. That's why I don't.
Still, but you can still ride. Yeah. How can we?
I used to do that like 7
You do
8 years.
the track or what? The track? Never do.
Not now. Earlier I used to do.
Which one? Which bike? Oh, Expulse.
Expulse, Impulse.
Okay.
Ah, nice. I mean, we could tell. Yeah. The moment you start your bike and you shut up, we could tell this is a motocross lady. Wow, which club are you from?
Kevi.
Okay. Oh, okay. Good sir.
Where will you guys go today?
We'll be heading to Shillong, but through Guwahati. Yeah. We came from Nongstoin, so we'll be heading back from Guwahati.
Tomorrow we'll go to Silchar via that half long route.
Oh, Oh yeah, I heard there's a.
What is Shillong? What it is Shillong roads are good. Shillong to Silchar.
Yes.
Lot of
Really bad.
traffic.
And very bad also. Very bad. Even two-wheelers could get stuck there.
Sunapur side.
Yeah.
Sunapur side is very
Sunapur
bad.
always landslide.
They always
Yeah.
lose.
2 hours later.
Kejing cakam kalau kum ni harum. Lai dan lenti lai mi po venue mas akut no ni turah. Te kam start su ka baik kalau kam ju problems. Let's see ke bala benong nang ni. Somno na ba.
Kedai. Kerman ni.
Mas akut lu bodok khai ni. Mata nu buje? Lar buje la. Kitchen nami shibet ajam.
Pasien mo. Di punzi mo. This is the part and process of the right mo. Kilometer, sepak kilometer ada feel up ni. Kalau dah sepak kilometer. Aman jumpa tak sekali lah
iPhone. Lalu ni mo.
This is sad. Kabaik kamlong shoot mentang trangin habania surat am shukit no Shillong. It's not happening anymore. We have come to the end of the NERM. Mama Juwi. Kalau kejing yam ke bekrab hab law ni kelamaan kabaik. No. Yes, Krishibon.
Mungkin sekarang bambu baik dulu. Bilang kira ni. Kalau saya nak pak baik.
Tingginya.
Saya pun saya baik.
One eternity later.
Sakale. Iwan dah kebaik dah sukanya perbalik tim pelik cu dah kebaik ni teh. Kilawan sini we mekanik nang ni na tura kiba. Persang gidi kiba syait melir masna itu kebaik. Kum diki jat dan rei wat kini ru kim parla ban sna. Telah change carburetor kawai ru kamlong. If you even change the carburetor. I've got a few mechanics from Tura. The CI engine's mechanic, but still not working. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. So let's see what do we do tonight. I might stay back here, or the thing is we've already arranged a pickup vehicle to take from Tura to Shillong. So my club members have already left because they have to ride. So it'll be too late for them to wait for me. So we've all agreed to for them to leave, and I'll stay behind with the vehicle. But the vehicle is not here yet. Even the bus, which is supposed to be leaving for Shillong from Tura tonight, that is already arranged. But I need to get my bike started from here, go to the bus station, and then take it to Shillong. Tangma mentahi ban poi du station po bus station ban kit ya kanir 4 poi taka kali kabadi ban wansang ka 4 poi kanir ko 4 start sipit kan long no kan pini pi tel to ashi to hone odi plug disam na
Kalau tel je dia deh. Apa tel tu?
थोड़ा तेल भी दिया पहले
Pele dia. Saya sensitif dengan film ini. Saya sensitif.
Ini desain mat bude action de band ho.
Kami bilang.
Ini ham mana?
Apa film ini?
एक बच्ची भी दो दूल्हे और दे एक्सप्लोर करेगा तो तुझे एक्सीडेंट ना होगा दो एक दिन हो कहाँ से वो आया?
I told you the wiring issue is there. I told you na.
Because the wiring issue?
Yeah. Yesterday while putting this battery na. He put.
Hello?
I think he did. Ulta. Open the battery cover.
Nga dan siya tura?
No.
Hai tura hai. Dah kala start mentan. Te kala kemding rupok. Kala kemding ru mentan. Te kila change ka berdor kemai ki kam kala start di. Te mentan ka kemding te ngamte balik ka dan yur te dan beshot wiring yur you try jong betri na kamna ka kemding wait pok ka bike. We're still fixing the bike here and it'll take us another maybe few hours to reach along. Our friend here have tried everything. He gave new carburetor and everything also, but it seems like the wiring is the problem, is the main problem. But anyhow, I can't wait, otherwise this can be fixed here, but problem is we can't wait. I also have another friend who's waiting for me. Another bike is got breakdown there in front of Tura, so we'll have to carry the bike anyhow, whether it works or whether it doesn't. We need to get home tonight or maybe tomorrow morning from Tura to Shillong. But anyhow, thanks to these guys. If they're not here, then kaam khatam le hamara. So I've kept a new carb there. There's a new carburetor, and the only thing that's left is to change at least the wiring. It even got I mean, it even catch fire a few moments ago, and stip showing in yele kumno na day ba menta ba shna te dang shnahi kama lada ka start na kam start ru haban raabit Shillong te ka bike ji ba ma kadan te khmat I mairu ilawan shna mane hang ni te jong iru kelas ni biang tamal amit pin shule trim halenti singkin wat hang ni badan kini mekanik ru pinum la hi ban le ai than bahaba phi ra kit so jaka babiang nadong sedong kitiar ki spare part berkiwe marbala da kalalong makanaru le khia halenti le da ka sniu biang nang hedik susu ting la irai bingin yakit benyo Shillong berarti bike ting nang up menta just waiting for the car to come here nang up stang kedat baka katuni por bikin one. Hopefully it comes and then we get home safely, at least with our bikes. Otherwise to rehab sabang sini bersimit na jat lah. So who's good to you or
He is good.
Oh, he is Guddu. Okay, and your name?
Tahir.
Tahir. Okay. What's your garage name called?
NSW.
NSW.
Tura Bullet House.
Okay. So here at Tura Bullet House, if you need anything with your Royal Enfield, just come to Tura Bullet House.
On Google, if you type NSW, no? Google Map will take you to my garage.
This in Hawakhana, no?
Hawakhana, near Ship Mandir. Near Ship Mandir.
So these were the guys who were there with us at the event. So actually I took the bike to this other guy and he gave me the battery. Didn't work. Pretty sure it's not the battery problem, and I don't know how that was fixed anyway, but the problem wasn't solved. So now we realized its battery was not the problem was something else. So let's see what we have from here. Having a cast iron engine is fun, but when things go wrong, it's gonna be a headache. So but anyway, thanks to these guys, at least we're fixing the bike now. I'm here at the MIDC with here, who's been very grateful, very generous for the place. At least I got my bike fixed with these two gentlemen here. We're with Tahir here. So if you're here in Garo Hills, if you have any bike for that matter, especially the CI engine ones, please, I would recommend him, Tahir, for fixing your bikes. He was part of the NERM, and now post NERM also he's still a part of it, and he's helping me here with the bike, and it's in running condition now. I can reach Shillong, but I'm not going to take it to Shillong tonight. I'll be using the vehicle though. But thanks to these gentlemen here, they've been working hard to make this one running, and now it runs, and it will reach home by tonight. Thanks to you guys. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
Ride safe.
Yes. Thank you. Yes, boss. And you also. Thank you.
Channel was
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Your channel is one.
My channel is Code Freeman.
Code Freeman.
Code Freeman is CODEFREEMEN.
Okay.
Code Freeman.
YouTube.
Yes. YouTube. I'm also on Instagram. I'm also on YouTube.
Okay. Code Freeman.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I used to
I'll get from Ardon also.
Yes. And I'll share the link once I put this thing up. Yeah. And you'll see the adventure since day one, how it broke down, and now also
how fixed.
So it's more like I knew the problem since Shillong, but I had to come to Tura to get it fixed from Mr. Tahir here.
Yes.
Nice. Anyway, thank you guys. Thank you. Ani bas pelat. Oh, bas pelat. Ani bas pelat. Andri menit tu ada sakut cetai. Oh my goodness. Woo! What an adventure, man. What an adventure. Okay toh, kada marway yang ni menta ni Hawakhana. Thanks to Gifford, thanks to all the friends hang ni po Garo Hills. Ki ba la yarap yang ban pin long, ban pin yo mechanic, ban pin yo ban Krishna ni ka bike hang ni ka makalong. Te klalong menta taman re problem is ngam kwa ban lej hi sa po sa Shillong. Ten re ngakwa ban kitno da ka bolero nomor bay ba mak lu idang ap hang te hapo. Nanti hapo rongram nanti khmat kniat nomor kejong iru kelas new. Ti lakon mo kumno mo mata kami lagi poi Shillong ko makanum de kani ka bike bat kani ka bike man de mde ban chong kani dengan chong no kali nomor ba ka betang ban sngan kelenti kesengkin lebah bal amid sa yo kasni yo kathut biang sa jinjar tingin kit pinyo da kali nang ni silin nyo pa sa Shillong mo ish ti to anyway la poi hang ni menta masuk kemen ngalas ngo ayu bakal along ka bike rete jan jot. Oh, dia kibril amid ha tom dan chui ero ni. Let's see number 1. Kiong mikila apa? Oh, tinang ta de. Kawai ngilai ikut di kawai ke Bolero mane sya ditch. Ukhamwan do Bolero ngam tip ujan net work no. Kami yo ban pun tip sya udan. Kala ban pun sedak kawai te mentang inang apps ta kawai kala don helenti kiong. Te marewan ngin load no ikan ni mo. Chalo bro. Tini ban ngah hadu ngana posisi Shillong mah pe hadu dur ngapa Shillong ngam tip hadu mentaru tingin pe kelong no. Oke kini saya kilayawan mentang ini tap ne ka bike. Te kan long arteli ka wei jong ba jong ba mak ba bang te. Yes, saya am YouTuber. Thank you for being here. My goodness, otherwise I'll be in a problem. Come on. Chalo. Tired. Yeah. Yeah. Lang yeah.
We know what you're doing is
Oh, like that. Nice though. Kajak. Cool. Wait, you need help no?
Hi.
Wait.
Mom juga.
Wait. I'll just take one picture there. That's it.
Picture?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Chalo.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait. No. Come from that. One. Yeah. Alright, ngilai sedang nang ni. We already started and kabike nang dihadin. So we're officially going to Shillong with a bike on my back and this Bolero pickup here, Bolero camper. So I hope we get there on time, safe and sound. And we have another bike waiting for us. I hope both the bikes get to Shillong safely. Yeah. Damn. आप लोग कहाँ से हैं?
हम लोग
या तुरा से ही है
वाबा का शेम का घर के सामने है।
हाँ तो इसलिए आप थोड़ा जल्दी है ना यहाँ पहुँचने के लिए।
हाँ
ठीक है हम हाँ
शेप ऐसे कुछ नहीं हुआ ना?
नहीं हो जाएगा सर।
अच्छा
तो क्या ये नोक्सन से या घाटी से जाएगा?
हाँ घाटी से
ठीक है
भाई डीजल नहीं लिया डीजल
yang lain kedua ibu mak mentah yang tap mentah pas kena baik kena baat. Oh. Ya. Yes.
Wait.
Loh.
1, 2, 3. Kamu sama ni? 1, 2, 3. Isi satu lekot.
Alright. Kini baik dua arteling lah. Tap hang ni, kini jong mak kawai, kini jong hang ni. Te kamu mentas ni tinggal inum clutch shirt, kamu nak mak. Nang ni, sekarang kilometers nang ni?
200
kilometers.
320 kilometers.
320. So we are 320 kilometers away from Shillong, from a destination, and we have our bikes broke down here, both of them, and I feel good to have somebody, a companion who breaks his own bike. But at least I have company here. But anyway, at least we have the camper thanks to these guys. And we'll be there maybe by 4 4 in the morning, nahi? Apa try? 5. Maybe 5, 6 in the morning, but we'll be going through Guwahati. At least we'll have some places to eat. At least everybody here is hungry and we need something to boost ourselves up.
Yes.
Chalo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, ni. This is gonna be memorable. Ah, ni. Chalo. You have Bluetooth speaker now?
मिल गया अबे after we Shillong I'll click picture video
Oh yes, 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 man. Click picture. We'll make video.
okay
Everything. Chalo. Ali, what a ride. What a journey.
Hi
Chalo.
Angan din nang adu bra nang adu jok ada nak jok nang adu jok
Ngila poi steng lenti menta ngia intip ngia poi hai gane tama hadu bakila ai phanya ai ngaru ini ke jaka ini ka kali nomor bakini siaru. They were at the camp for 3 days 3 nights and they cannot drive the vehicle anymore, so I had to drive the vehicle anyway. So we have so they have all the things we have all things loaded.
Bihari ka baat bolega?
Oh, Bihari ka?
Bihari ka.
The kini di bike ni like it naman ni beside itu ba. So this is ni sashi. Kadak slam ha nang niti ni petrol truck niat. Ito saya nyo ani sobang ta kanya bolero. Kanya kampar tama ani peniulo kani senjara banyak mithui thau bakala dum pelat. Tiki don langut kini saya hang ni bat mga marway. Mithui wiru tama jing enjoy ni atala dapat kumni harum song mai. Inshallah.
This so me.
Yeah. Yes. So he will also have a YouTube channel. So no, you will start a YouTube channel. No? You will start a YouTube channel. Well, what will you name your channel?
Sales no crack.
Sells Nokrek.
Sales no crack.
Sells Nokrek. Sells Nokrek. If he starts a YouTube channel, because he'll be taking this camper to Ladakh. Huh? Right? Huh?
Yeah.
Yes. He'll take this camper to Ladakh. He said he'll take me too. So we will stay in this camper to Ladakh. Yes. Chalo, let's go to Shillong.
Chalo Shillong.
off to Shillong
Let's go. Let's go. Chalo.
Hey, you're in video?
Yes, that's a video.
Let's go video.
it has to be on the block now
Yes, it'll be on the
Shall we go now?
Yes, let's go.
Chalo. Slow. Hey, nama kata mak.
Chalo. But what is the double signal? Huh?
I don't know.
Double signal?
I don't know.
yeah
Oh, like that.
yeah
Okay.
to pull up that
Yeah, you guys.
Who is this? Conrad.
No.
this is a duplicate one
Duplicate Conrad.
yeah
Mama. Chalo.
Plus हो सकते हैं रखो लो. सबके हो सकते हैं, शोया को हो सकते हैं. ठीक है हम गाना चलाते हैं.
ada baca nggak ya
Gijir wala bambu. Merah ganas.
Kana baca aduh
Wait. Gaना बजा लो. हिंदी वन सा?
DJ wala mama mera kena kerja
Lah ya pai jorobat mentas tangkat tu kan ni. Kenapa sorry. Lepas kenapa mentas sepang ni lah ya pai Shillong. Di bike berarti kita nanti berarti. Oh, tu bike kami. Indonesia kita nang ni. Sahabat kumru steng lenti. Tama long kamdele tan. Kijong ibamak. But itu seperti lah dan Syahmat dan kali bad ke bike. Dan nang ni mentah ini lebih banyak sih. So it was a very good experience, very unexpected, and There's so much of things happening since day one. Somehow we got our bikes into the venue, and now we got our bikes home also. We just hope that everything will be fine, everything will be okay with our bikes, and we can ride them again soon. Okay, okay, we will see what we have now. Chalo. But all in all, it was a great experience. NERM was great. We met so many people, riders from different states, different community, and we have exchanged our ideas, our thoughts, exchanged our our love for biking and stories, most importantly. And the best part is I've got connected to a lot of people who has a same or a similar version of Royal Enfield, which is the cast iron engine right there. Buon bagi pelok ni badan ni cast iron engine. Ayo mani kenduk saya kata jaka. So but all in all, it was great. And the only problem that I had that I faced was the sanitation problem, which is the toilet. We had to travel, we had to walk to another campsite for toilets and all that, but anyhow we got it got a job done anyway. Ngilaya te ki bobon ba gi jukli ko ngini jaj right anu ko dur village balai village bukum ta terter te ba ji sha kalong ba naleling am tip hiru balai ngale teman repat man balai pat iyo bon ba ji kai bai de ban bania jalinti arukom nya ki bai ki jongi ba bani kenduru ki bre bobon ma ti ki bon rai la ki jong ki khana balai bing kwa banya bai bat ke ba pelong ki bikin sultanat banyak iki tuk-tuk ban pakam dei hiru tambah basunya betang tuk-tuk kum tu andre kabarnya akhirkom ke badai. So many of us have the same questions, similar questions like why do we go for long rides like these? Yes, it's about to meet, it's about meeting friends and all that. I don't have a specific answer why, but I could tell, the only thing that I can say is that I like to ride the journey. I like to experience this journey and get to meet people, new people, and that way it helps me grow as a person, helps me grow as a biker, and we get to exchange stories, we get to exchange experiences with our fellow bikers from in and around the country, and the state, northeast, and other parts of the country and the world also. So, but all in all, it was a great experience. I would encourage you to ride, if not just any RM, but any long ride where you can meet your fellow riders. If you do so, it'll be nice. Ma, chalo. Kalau la janlut bitri kani la dang amyo su ban penkut te khulis bun, bil penyo beslan bakut kani gede ka benta bakhado. Thank you. Bisbon. And our brother here also will get a bike soon. Yeah. Okay, concentrate. Concentrate. Then rem long ramen pikai tu malah shy lah step sini lah boy. And brothers here also are very tired already. They didn't sleep for 3 nights there. And now they'll go home and sleep on the way. They'll also sleep when they get home. Chalo, see you guys. Oh, finally lah Peshlang. Di kita kajing one ride kajing itu besar kai. Toh alis tang malapoy syaru. Okay. Rete kumale ben sakut. Suruh ba mak sakut ke baik untuk. Baik ngatrai adalah ada kipau tu li bila asna tama kajong lejong ti mat kalalero. Kalalero ti kena. Ke Malaysia bukan pangmet ni mak lapang mensim trai ke baik. Okay, Parlock. Nahi push ke buku jangan ni jing yalti jangi. This is our little adventure. Myself and the club. Te bat ki Parlock ke jangi bi bamak kumju. Tenre ka mga bat ka bike te ke adventure kum shirkai bahan ru pasdang hadu menta. Bang lai poi menta shiye. Ada lenti banyak shiye. Kalau jumpa ni apa ni video nu pasdang hadu bakut. Ha, left. Kalau jumpa PPA penyeru pasdang hadu bakut tu kani ke video ke last tu. Te kabangala bandong hi menta kalong ba. Se pej pedi video ki ba. Thmai ki ba ngan sepenmi nang ni syakmat. Hakani sang lag jonga. Te kani ke video jinglej pelakut hang ni. Bang se share yang pi pakoi pak video mah. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Share, like, subscribe. Oh yeah. Now, okay. I forgot to tell you about the bike. So the bike problem, actually they've changed the carburetor. I got new carburetor, though it was not needed, so to say. Yet I've changed it because the old one is very old. Left. Pura left. Hi jana. It was very old, so I had to change it because eventually I have to change it anyway. So I've changed that, and the reason is because the only thing and the main problem most probably is because the contact point, which needs to be fixed. There is one screw in the contact point that doesn't stay properly, so I have to fix it. So we've kept the motorcycle in the garage just there, and hopefully the mechanic will do his job in fixing it, because the last time I went he was unwilling to do so. I hope he does that. He will do it now. So but this is the experience. That was the experience that I've had in Garo Hills and on the way, and with all these guys. This guy here already asleep, and our brothers here, they're still driving. They'll have to go back to through Nongstoin to Tura. So thanks to these guys. Thank you. Thank you. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. This is the end of the NERM adventure. Ladies and gentlemen, see you.